Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
Just to start, we'd like you to just tell us your name and the institution you're coming from, as well as the program you're studying.
Okay, my name is Lawrence Chilingwe. I'm a student at the Cooperate University studying computer engineering.
All right, great. So, we'd like to find out which hackathon did you take part in?
It was mining pollution hackathon.
And how was the experience from that hackathon?
It was a wonderful experience. We learned so much. At least we came to understand the platforms that Unicorn sets for innovators like ourselves and how we can develop our ideas into tangible prototypes.
All right, great. So, kindly tell us about the problem that you were addressing as you were coming up with the solution that you are working on this week. So, what problem were you addressing?
So the theme of the hackathon was pollution and the future of mining.
Okay.
And our innovation basically addressed that. Mm-hmm. So we came up with a project which we called Pollutants Control System.
Okay.
Which encompasses a lot of things, but based on a mobile application which we're calling WaterGuard. So this application basically is able to detect, process, and also display information regarding pH levels, which are very crucial in determining the possibility of contaminants in water. So our project addressed that water pollution.
That sounds interesting. So the people that could be hearing this for the first time and they would want to know how this solution works, could you kindly enlighten us on how this solution works?
Okay. So the pollutant control system,
yep,
at the core of the project is an application, a mobile application, which we are calling WaterGuard.
Okay.
So this is a very simple application which can be accessed by any individual that is having a mobile smartphone. So this application basically has 4 features.
Okay.
Yeah. It is linked to hardware that is made up of sensors and Raspberry Pi for data processing. So this application has 4 features, which is a live monitor, and also a feature that's displaying the current situation, current levels of pH in a specific region. So for instance, when you look at an example of a mining area,
yes,
in Kitwe. So this mining area has a river nearby. So determining the pH level of that river, of water in that river, we're going to use this mobile application. So now to go about it, my colleagues will explain further.
Alright, so there could be potential investors out there who are interested in finding out whether you have come up with any prototype that you can show us. So have you guys worked on any prototype so far?
Yeah. So this is how our solution is going to work.
Okay.
We have a mobile app that when the sensors at the water body collects the data, it's sent to the cloud, and in that instant, the data ends up in our mobile device.
Okay.
So basically it has 4 screens, crucial screens. It shows the history of the pH levels, the trends, as well as the calendar, which shows the overall pH levels of that particular period. Okay. And other than that, we built a very interesting feature to this app, because you realize that it's not always that the users will always be on our app. Mm-hmm. So as a result of that, we came up with a background feature where even while you're not using the app, as long as it senses acidic pH levels,
yes,
you'll be able to send an alert with a very loud sound. Yeah. So this is our app, and it's quite interesting how we built it.
Amazing. Is there any information you would like to share?
Okay, just a simple demonstration of how it's working.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you go to the live monitor tab there, you can hear that sound. So that sound is representing an acid leak.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a signal that there's an acid leak in the river and action need to be taken. So this notification is inbuilt, it's in the app, but it also can be heard even when you're not logged in with the app.
Ah, great. Okay, so just before we wrap up, would like to find out how has the Mukova Unipod been of help to you throughout your journey from ideation all the way to the stage you are on, the prototyping stage? How has Mukova Unipod helped you as a team in your innovation?
Mukova Unipod has been a great platform for innovators, for our team. We've been able to build this idea from the ideation stage to the prototype, something that can be marketed, scaled to larger audiences. And we're just grateful for the opportunity that we're given to actually build something from our idea.
All right, interesting. Thank you very much. We are so excited to hear about your application, and thank you so much for sharing to people out there. We look forward to this solution reaching the market and people using it and it solving the problem that you have addressed. So thank you very much, and all the best as you continue working on the prototype.
Thank you so much.